rich, grab a drink and watch him go. He'll solve any problem, so help his channel grow.
1.2 or 3.4 or 6.7.
Never misses a beat. His tools and his jokes make the job complete. No matter the mess, he's ready to start with a beer in his hand. He's a DIY hard.
February, you know what that means, don't you? This door's gonna have to open again. You know what's happened? It's gone and fell out of place. The key doesn't work. Can't twist it anymore. Because these don't line up. You can see that lines up lovely. What you need is a 4mm and a 5mm Allen key. And you just need to adjust the hinges on here. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but we'll zoom in on that. That's like going that way basically. So we need to straighten them up and pull the door back up. Right, don't know how well you're going to see this, but anyway, that's the 4mm, that's the 5mm. Can't remember what way it goes, but it goes some sort of way. Just keep fiddling with it and you'll get a door creak and crack. But yeah, to be fair, it's all pretty loose. So 3 hinges on here. Lovely shadow that, isn't it? Lovely. So I'm going to adjust them all and then see what it does. But again, like, look, that will not do anything. That key will not. But it's worked.
Wow!
And that was just from tightening that one up. So there you go, dead easy. Don't call the locksmith. Just call on my video. There you go. But I'm gonna tighten the rest anyway because it's gonna jam again. You want it to just freely loose. Yes, you do. Look at the turn action on that key. Beautiful, that is. Beautiful. Cheers.